Today we're whipping up a simple yet luxurious makeup brush cleaner that will not only get your brushes sparkling clean, but also leave them with a lovely, subtle scent. So turn off distractions because making is healing. Our first ingredient is 1 ounce of rose hydrosol. This not only adds a beautiful, natural fragrance, but also has gentle cleansing properties. Go ahead and pour 1 ounce into your glass bowl or jar. Next up, we have 1 ounce of witch hazel. Witch hazel is a fantastic natural astringent that helps to break down makeup residue and oils effectively. Add that right to your bowl. To dilute our mixture and make it gentle on your brushes, we'll add 1 ounce of distilled water. This ensures we have a pure and clean base. Now for the cleaning power, we're using 1 ounce of pure Castile soap. This natural soap is excellent at lifting away dirt and grime without being too harsh on your delicate brush bristles. Pour that in with the other ingredients. If you'd like an extra boost of antibacterial properties, you can add 1 drop of tea tree oil. This is completely optional, but it's a great addition for keeping your brushes extra hygienic. Just 1 drop will do. Now that we have all of our wonderful ingredients in the bowl, let's mix them together until they're well combined. Now it's time to get those makeup brushes clean. Take one of your brushes and swirl the bristles gently in the solution. Gently tap the brush head on the bottom of the bowl to help loosen any of that stubborn makeup. Next, gently work the solution through the bristles using your fingers. Press lightly and carefully squeeze the solution out, watching the makeup as it comes away. Repeat this process, swirling and squeezing until you no longer see any makeup coming out of your brush. You'll be amazed at how much buildup can accumulate. Once your brush is clean, rinse it thoroughly under cool running water, making sure to remove all traces of the soap solution. Now for drying, gently flick the excess water out of the bristles. Then, using a soft cloth, gently wipe the brush head. For thicker brushes, you might find it helpful to gently fluff the bristles while they are drying. This will help them maintain their shape and dry more evenly. Lay your brushes flat or at a slightly downward angle to dry completely. And there you have it, beautifully clean and subtly scented makeup brushes, ready for your next application.
So now it's your turn. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it with #IMadeThis, tagging From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured.
We can't wait to see your creations.